Hi friends, this is Egan Tech Buddies and you are watching Egan Tech Buddies YouTube channel. For getting new job updates, please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon. Central Pollution Control Board is officially out the recruitment notification for 48 candidates to fill their Scientist B Junior, Scientific Assistant, Senior Technician, Data Entry Operator, Junior Technician, Junior Laboratory Assistant, Lower Division Clerk, and Attendant. Jobs in all over India. The aspirants who are looking for central government jobs can utilize this wonderful opportunity. Also, the online application for the CPCB Recruitment 2020 will start on 5th May 2020. Interested aspirants should apply for the post before 25th May 2020 for Central Pollution Control Board. So let's discuss the job criteria. The total vacancies are 48 and the job location is all over in India. The salary will be 25,500 to 1,12,400. The application starts on 5th May 2020 and the last date of submission is 25th May 2020. For Scientist B posts, 13 posts are the SC category 2 posts, ST category 1 post, OBC category 3 posts, EWS category 3 posts and unreserved category 4 posts. The persons with benchmark disabilities can also apply. The scale of pay is 5600 to 1,77,500. The maximum age limit is 35 years old. And the educational qualification or an experience needed for this job is the bachelor's degree in engineering or technology from a recognized university or institution in civil, chemical, environmental. 10 posts. For mechanical, 1 post and mining, 1 post. Next one is junior scientific assistant. Number of posts 2. For EWS category 1 post and unreserved category 1 post, the persons with benchmark disabilities can also apply. The scale of pay is 35,400 to Rs 1,12,400. The age up to 30 years can apply for this job. The educational qualification experience needed for this job is a degree in science with 4 years of experience in the line, preferably in pollution control or related subjects. Desirable master's degree in science. The next one is senior technician. Total 6 posts are the OBC category 1 post, unreserved category 5 posts. Persons with benchmark disabilities can also apply for this job. The salary is 35,400 to 1,12,400. The maximum age limit is 30 years old. The educational qualification and experience needed for the job is diploma in instrumentation 4 posts, diploma in electronics 1 post, diploma in mechanical 1 post, and desirable is 1 year experience in relevant field. Next one is data entry operator. For data entry operator, 2 posts are the for OBC category 1 post and unreserved category 1 post. Person with benchmark disabilities can also apply. Scale of pay is 25,500 to 81,100. The maximum age limit is 25 years old and the educational qualification needed for this job is 12th standard pass or equivalent from a recognized board. Should possess a speed of not less than 8,000 key depressions per hour for data entry work. For junior technician, there are 2 posts, unreserved category 2. The persons with benchmark disabilities can also apply. The salary will be 25,500 to 81,100 and the maximum age limit is 25 years old. The 10th class passed from a recognized board or institution candidates can apply. The certificate from ITI mechanical trade and 3 years experience in serving laboratory machines can apply. Next one is lower division clerk. For lower division clerk, 13 posts are there. And SC category 2 posts, ST category 1 post, and OBC category 3 posts, EWS category 1 post, and unreserved category 6 posts. And out of 13 posts of LDC lower division clerk, 1 post is reserved for ex-serviceman, 1 post is reserved for blindness and low division, and 1 post is reserved for deaf and hard of hearing. Persons with benchmark disabilities can also apply. The scale of pay is 19,900 to 63,200 and the maximum age limit is 25 years old. The educational qualification needed for the post is bachelor's degree from a recognized university and the typing speed of 30 WPM in English and 25 WPM in Hindi. The next one is attendant. For attendant, 3 posts are there. For OBC category 1 post and EWS category 2 posts. Person with benchmark disabilities can also apply. The salary is 18,000 to 56,900. The maximum age limit is 25 years old. The educational qualification needed is 8th standard passed from a recognized school and 10th class passed from a recognized school and training in basic and refresher course in home guards and civil defense. The persons who can apply, who are interested for applying for this job can apply. If any doubts, you can comment on my comment box. The application link and the official notification link are given in description box. The candidates who meet the eligibility criteria should apply for this job. Thank you for watching my video.